Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create NYSC profile step by step. So first you have to go to their official portal and then click fresh registration or create account. Then you have to provide their valid email and Nigerian phone number and then set your password. Then check your email box, even check their spam or junk for the activation link. Then click the link to activate your NYSC account. Then you have to return to their portal and log into their credential. So first you have to keep in mind that it should show mobilized batch. Then you can do the rest of the process and fill out the personal details like name, date of birth, state of origin, LGA, contact info, and extra. After you provide everything, you should provide your institute, course, then matriculation number and year of graduation. And then you have to upload a scanned copy of your degree or HND certificate and O-level result. Then use an off-white or white background and no shadow, full face visible. That's how you upload your passport size picture. And then you will need to scan your fingerprint using the digital scanner, and you have to avoid for proxy. Remember which fingers you scanned. The same are used at the camp for verification. Then you have to pay 2,786.24 Nigerian via card or bank to get SMS call up and printable letter online. Alternatively, you can skip payment or collect call up numbers at your institute. Carefully preview all the details and upload the documents before submission. Agree to the terms and submit your registration. After the processing, print your green card and call up letter from your dashboard and download the other necessary documents like the payment slip and result. And at last step, at your orientation camp, bring the original document of all upload items. Foreign trained graduate must bring the evaluation letter from their Federal Ministration of Education and translation if need. That's for it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video.